big box.
Yeah. What is that? You want to go check it out?
No, but I'm going to be feeding you.
You're okay. Here, run out real quick and go check on what's underneath that box.
Ready.
Whoa.
A car.
A car? You're not even 16 yet and you get a car.
That's a toy car.
Oh, it is. Okay. Wow.
Whoa, it has 2 seats in it.
It does.
That's funny.
That is funny. That's nice, huh?
That's for me and Malia.
It is for you and Malia. Wow.
That's hard.
Good job, Santa. Good job.
Good job, Santa.
How did that go?
Santa must have dropped it off, huh?
Yeah. It's cool already. Dad, you want to be cool?
Yeah.
Cool already.